Some of the problems that we face is with the smaller vehicles. I think they should have.
On our second hour now.
I think she's doing good.
Here in the truck with her. Hello guys, welcome to Chat Jamaican. You know that I am your lady Tania. Guys, you can see that truck right in front of me. What I am trying to do right now is to get the driver attention here on this Jamaican road. Guys, trucks can be seen anywhere in Jamaica, whether the road be narrow, small, winding, uphill. You know how our Jamaican roads are. Remember to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you will always be in tune with my videos. Thank you for always coming back and watching my videos, guys. The main purpose of trying to get through to the truck is to speak to the driver about what is his experiences driving on the Jamaican road. Stay tuned. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. You know that I am your lady Tania and I am here with
Timor Burton,
and he will be talking to us about truck driving in Jamaica, or what it is that you need to know about trucking. Yeah man, because me love chat Jamaican. Me raise a bar like no other nation. This are the time for we all get wiser. Jamaica to the world, make we start work harder. We arise, we are pray in a this lovely place. Get rid of bad mind and learn we lesson. Lady Tania, queen of YouTube. Everything me do in the end it gets better. Yeah, it a go better. Yeah, chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Tell us about driving a truck on a Jamaican road.
Well, you have to have good judgment first of all, because our roads in Jamaica are very small, and most of the places that trucks go in Jamaica, we have real narrow road. The terrain sometimes is bad, rocky and stuff like that. So you have to have good judgment in Jamaica when you're driving and operating a truck in Jamaica.
Good judgment.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So why is this a good field for people to venture into?
Well, trucking all over, you know, trucking is what runs the world. Without trucks, there will be starvation. Everything that has to move has to do with trucking.
Trucking.
Yes, food has to go from country to country. It came off the ship and it's onto the truck. And it's onto the truck and it's onto the ship. So trucking is very important, and if you have this skill, anywhere in the world you can go and pick up a job, because it's always needed all over the world.
You have any experience internationally in truck driving?
No, I've never driven overseas. No, but I've seen their road overseas and stuff like that.
Yes.
And I think it's easier even in Canada and America.
So what are some of your experience, your personal experience driving on the Jamaican roads?
Well, one time I had a near miss. I was driving on this narrow road, clear road, and the rain was falling and the truck skid off the road, and there was a pond. The truck almost fell into the pond. So yeah, that was my closest near miss.
Yes.
And I had another near miss again. I ran out of brake going to Montego Bay with 30 tons of Barber Green, and I ran out of brakes on Long Hill.
And what happened to the truck?
Well, luckily when I reached down to the stoplight down to head into Montego Bay, it was on red. It was about 7:30 in the morning.
Yes.
And I didn't know what to do.
Oh.
I pulled up the handbrake, the truck was still running.
Yes.
With the load on it, and I decided that if I go to Lucy's side, then the truck is going to overturn and it might damage more vehicle and cause death and stuff like that. So I had to play eeny, meeny, miny, mo. And
Yes.
I said eeny, meeny, miny, mo, and I just cry out to Jesus. And when I decided that I was going to hit the middle car, the light turned to green and I went right through, climb up on the curve wall, and that big tree that always grow over in the road, I took down a part of that big tree.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
So it has shaken you, or how it makes you feel?
It caused me to be more cautious. Yeah, it caused me to be more cautious.
Okay. All right. So what is needed, or the documents that are needed to be a truck driver in Jamaica?
Well, it's not much. It's not much requirements. Once you have an open general, then you can operate a dump truck, a straight truck. But if you're going to go articulated, that's truck and trailer, then you need an articulated license.
Oh, so now you are training people in truck and trailer?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
So we start them off on, if you're a beginner, new beginner, we start you off on the head alone, that's the tractor.
All right. So what is the name of your driving company?
It's Stepaside Trucking and Driving School.
Stepaside Trucking and Driving.
Yes.
All right. So you know, what age group of people do you train in truck driving?
Well, I train various ages. I have trained persons to go over Canada. I have trained even persons came from Florida.
Yes.
I have trained them, yeah, because it's less expensive to learn to drive in Jamaica than to look about your CDL in the USA.
Yes.
But I have trained, I think about the youngest I've trained probably about 18-year-old. Yeah. But once they're mature enough and conscious enough, then
How do you know their maturity level when they come to you?
I have a chat with them first, and if they're jittery and stuff like that, and you hear the questions, you ask them the questions and you hear their answers,
Yes.
then you know that their mind is ready to take on trucking.
Do truck drivers, or do they normally face any form of problems or danger on the road driving?
Every day.
What
Every
are
day.
some of the dangers or problems that they face?
Some of the problems that we face is with the smaller vehicles. I think they should have some level of education towards truck. Drive, and when you're driving a small vehicle, because trucks don't stop like cars. They need space to stop because they are traveling with heavy loads.
Yes.
And you don't just mash the brake and you stop like that.
Okay,
Yes,
I didn't know that, you know.
Yes, it needs a lot of space to stop. Yeah, so it is very dangerous. You don't try to cut off a truck. Don't overtake and swing in front of a truck. That could be dangerous. And the next thing that is dangerous, you may be in a traffic.
Yes.
And somebody coming off an intersection, and if you're on the right hand side of the truck, which is the blind side,
Yes.
if you're driving a left hand drive truck, some of the time when the vehicle is cutting across, you cannot see them because the truck is so tall, so you don't see them. So that in itself is a danger as well. So we have to be careful when we're on the road, and we have to look out for the smaller
For the
driver.
smaller vehicles.
Yes, because some of the time they don't understand the dangers.
All right. So are people interested in truck driving, knowing that you have been training? How many years now have you been training people?
I've been doing this from about 2006.
For so long, in 2006 until now, do you what age group of people are do you see showing interest in truck driving?
Well, right now it's like everybody is showing interest. It's like persons have a truck fever.
Yes.
I don't know if it's a truck fever, but it's money persons. Many
Yes.
persons, they have this fever for truck. I have seen where females have become interested, and the younger generation, they are very interested. But I have taught many in their 50s. Yeah.
Okay. All right. So what are some of the challenges do you face when teaching on the road?
All right. My biggest challenge is teaching somebody that knows how to actually drive already a stick.
Oh.
Yes, because some of the times they come with the mentality of driving a car.
Yes.
And driving a truck is very different. very different. So you don't give it any acceleration when moving off. You just let up off the clutch. And some of the times, because they're used to giving T's in the gas and riding the pedal, they come in the truck and want to do the same thing.
Okay.
But with the young person now, they're quicker to grasp it because it's like they're not being learned. So basically you have to unlearn and relearn.
So it's best you encourage younger people to come at a young age and learn how to drive truck.
Most of my challenges is with the older persons.
Okay. So with their experience, they think that they apply the same thing.
Yeah, when it's different.
When it's different. All right. Do they normally do well in obtaining their license? This license that you're training them for. When they're ready to go, and they have to drive for it as well.
Yes.
Do your clients or your customers normally do well?
Yes, majority of the time when I go to the depot with them, they do well.
Okay. You want to share a story of one of your most successful customer in truck driving?
In delivering material?
It doesn't matter.
Well, I have many satisfied customers because I don't know, I'm a bit, I don't want to say brave, but I try my best to satisfy my customers. There was this time where I went for this job. I pulled some barber green to the place, and it was a steep hill. First time going there, they wanted to do the road. They were going to do an apartment on the top of a hill, way up. And when I saw the hill, I was very nervous. I was wondering if the truck could really make it up that hill. So the customer asked me, how far up the hill can you go? But I said, I will try my best and see how far it goes. And I started reversing up the hill. And the truck was just going and going and going. And I said, all right, that's good. And I stopped. After I stopped, he said, you know that this job is yours. I said, all right.
Wow.
Yes. And from that time, I'm the only person that draw material for that apartment.
Oh my God.
Yeah,
so your experience and the quality work that you do, pays off.
Yes, I always try to please my customers.
Okay. All right. So you have a driving school. You want to share your number so that others will benefit?
All right. My number is 779-6779.
So that's 876 779
6779.
6779. And guys, it's the Stepaside trucking and driving school. All right. What encouragement do you give to your customers?
Read the driving school.
Yes, read the driving school and getting them, and in terms of delivery too, because you do both, right?
Yes.
So, what encouragement do you give to your customers overall?
Well, for the driving school students, I always encourage them not to follow others, because trucking right now, some of the times it seems like a sport.
Yes.
And I encourage them not to go out there and do dumb things, because truck is very dangerous. When they meet in an accident, they cause a lot of damage. You know, so I tell them all the time, come in the thing to make money, not to make fame.
So to make money,
not to make fame.
As you talk about make money, do you know what figure people can make driving trucks in Jamaica or overseas?
Well, for drivers, I know drivers here in Mandeville, I know they work like 25% of the job, and I know about some of the mobile drop off, they will get like 15 grand a trip. So it's not bad.
Okay, which is good. So guys, we're here with Stepaside training and driving school, and he train people to become truck drivers, and they branch off, whether they stay here locally in Jamaica, and most of the customers, they do go away and they operate internationally. All right, so anything else you want to share with the general public?
Well, you know, you can call me, you can WhatsApp me. I have a WhatsApp group for even the students, so we put them in a group so they also can socialize to themselves as well, because some of the times when they interact with each other, then everybody will grasp something from each other.
Yeah, so guys, they're located in Mandeville,
Yes.
right?
And we do the training in Napatrick.
In Patrick. So if I live in St. Elizabeth and I want to learn how to drive truck, I can reach out to you.
Yes, I have a student now that is from St. Elizabeth.
Oh, okay, so guys, you can travel to him.
And I have a student from Mapin as well.
Yes, all right. So what I want you to do now is to show me how you have a female student with you.
Yes.
Can you show me a little bit of training as to how you would ask her to operate or so on?
Okay, so you want her to actually drive?
Anything, just tell her something, teach her to drive, something.
All right.
Yeah.
All right, Tania.
Let's stay around here, sir. Ooh, what, drop my key? Thanks. Oh, the guy not coming. You're calling too?
Huh?
You're calling too?
Oh,
So guys, Tonian is a female student and she has been learning to drive for how long now?
Since yesterday.
So this is Tonian's second day in truck driving school, and she's pretty young.
yes, and it's her second hour.
Her second hour?
Yeah.
Wow. And she sit down like so she a star, you know. Pull up this for me, please. Yes.
You want to back up, Tania?
Yeah. Tanya, and what motivated you to want to be a truck driver in Jamaica overall, knowing that you're this young?
Well, I'm not an average female. I
Yes.
always try to do the unthinkable what a female would do.
Yes.
Oftentimes society put limits on females, and my inspiration was my daughter. Well,
Yes.
is still my daughter.
Yes.
Trying to build myself, work on myself, doing things I like, what I enjoy,
Yes.
and I actually love this baby.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so let me see now. We are second hour. Wow.
Go down and go.
Alright.
Remember your 100. Sure. Alright, hold on, Tania. Neutral back. We need some more here.
So put it up back.
Yeah. Yeah, it's up. Neutral. We need some more here. Alright, let go your way. Now let go your foot. There you go.
Oh. So she have to wait until the air pressure reaches
Yeah,
90.
RPM till now.
Okay.
A little faster.
You're nervous?
I was nervous yesterday, but not today.
Okay. So you're going to do well then.
I'll do what I remember.
Okay. Alright.
You're going to give test anyway.
You have been in trucks before?
No, this is my first truck.
Oh, your first truck and she had one, sir? You could have fooled me.
Exactly.
Alright, clutch. Yes, nice. 100 now. Take your time when it up. You know it's about to move. Hold back the brake now. It's about to move, let go. Feel it, feel it.
Ooh. Oh my god. It's But she's doing well, man, for her second hour.
Feel up, feel it. Yeah.
Woo! So guys, I am with Tonian. Tonian is here with Stepaside driving school and she's in her second hour. And let me look at the road. This is the road. Woo. The road. Oh, stop.
Take your time, take your time.
That's what I should do.
Go again.
Go again.
Yeah, give it some more gas. Give it some more gas. Yes, still in there.
Okay.
Alright, so she's taking instructions.
A little more gas. Chain down. Come on, you. Alright, stop and go. Stop and go. Great.
Oh!
Hold on, you don't.
Lean all the way back.
Yes. So go back for a second. Right down. Hold it break, hold it break. Right down your foot. Right down your foot. Right, take your time.
This is a small road.
Yeah, it's very small.
How you feel being on a narrow road for the second day?
I actually appreciate him taking me on this road because I would have to be on other narrow roads.
Okay.
So I will first have to master how to be on these type of roads
Yes.
before I can put me on the big ones.
Okay.
Once I know how to master these, I
Yes.
can master anything else.
Okay. You're doing well, man.
I have a very good instructor.
Yes. All right. So, Mr. Timroy, how you feel about her on her second hour now?
I think she's doing good.
Mm-hmm.
It's my first female for the season.
Yes. Okay, so you don't get a lot of female clients.
No, I had one last year.
Oh, so we're hoping some more females would come out and learn how to drive truck. So how you know how to change the gear them?
She listens to the RPM of the truck.
Okay.
Yeah, so she's time changing.
What is RPM?
The rev.
Oh.
Second. Yeah. And ease up on the foot if you feel like push.
I'm going to come out, you know.
Alright, she should give you a fork. Neutral, pull up your handbrake.
Yes, alright, take care. Bye, little one. Okay guys, I just got that experience on the truck and it was a wonderful experience and learning so much about truck driving here in Jamaica. Aren't they blessed? And Tania, she was doing a very good job driving for the second hour, the second time on the road. Let me tell you, man, I'm proud of our Jamaican people and the way how they have been operating and doing their thing. But right now guys, I want to thank you for watching Chat Jamaican. Little more. Bye. Take care. Kisses and love. Bye.